You guys, I just got my box for February. It just came literally it just came like not even 5 minutes ago. So I seen they were broadcasting a particular box that everybody is supposed to get, and we gonna see what box I got, because I watched Brandy's video that she just posted, and her box was not the box that they been broadcasting, because I wanted the one that they've been broadcasting because it had clear polygel, their clear polygel, and it had a pink, and I wanted those polishes, and I needed that little dish for, color swatches, and put your little bling and stuff on there. And when I seen that she got a different box, I'm like, oh, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's see what we got in this box, because I'm gonna be highly disappointed, and that may make me want to unsubscribe from whatever the hell. So, and I pay for my boxes every month. I don't get no type of PR from no kind of company. So I pay for my boxes, and if y'all broadcasting something on Instagram that we supposed to be getting, then don't send me shit else that's not what it is. So you get the card, and you get flowers. So let me move the box. So in both of the boxes, you get the flowers. I seen Brandy, she had flowers. And I get the Luxe box. I don't get no cheap basic box. I want the Luxe box because I want everything. I want everything y'all have to give me. So, alright. So we get flowers. Cute. 2 things of flowers. And, oh, I like this. This is nice. 2 dried out flowers and tweezers. Oh, okay. Okay, so y'all seen that. You get the clear polygel. Boom. I better have got this. But then again, I kind of wanted Brandy box because the polishes, nail by Brandy, I kind of wanted her box because the polygel, that green and that blue polygel and that polish, it was giving me like I could do a mermaid set type vibes or something like that. So, but you get scarlet and orange marmalade, pink polygel. Let's see what else. You get these 3 of each color. Hearts. Ooh, these are roses. I seen Brandy got these too. So far, the difference in these boxes is this polish and this polygel. So far. Because you get this too. This is cute. Okay. Next, you get this little palette that I said I needed. So I got the box that I wanted. Did I? So you get this. It's okay. You can put, little polish, and you're doing some little line work. Put your little polish, dab it right up in there. Or you can put your little jewels down, have your little placement or whatever already at. So that's cute. This is cute. What else? Alright, now you get this round dish of this supposed to be stuff like for zodiacs. I know I'm gonna use them wrong. I might have to watch a video. What else? And then it's the last thing. This is what I was not happy about with this box. Like, what I'm finna do with this? What am I finna do with some damn chains? Cause I have no freaking clue. I need to watch baby girl nails and do something with it. But yeah, this chain, you can definitely, have it going on your nail and stuff like that. But I don't know. I have to come up with an idea for these chains. But anyways, y'all, this is everything. This is the box that they are broadcasting on Instagram. This is the box, you know. So that's good that I got what I wanted. The clear, the pink. I ain't want these. I could have did with the blue, that blue and that green polish that Brenda got in her box. And you get these, and then you get, you know, this, the tweezers, and then you get 2 things of dried flowers. So let me go ahead and swatch the polygels. Well, I'm not gonna swatch the clear because we know what clear is, but let me go ahead and swatch this pink and these 2 polishes, and I will be back. One coat. That is lovely for one coat. One coat, y'all. I love this color. Now we're gonna go in with the orange marmalade. It is really, really pretty. I love this. And this is one coat. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go in with 2 coats. I might, but I like this. This is really cute. Okay, these are the swatches of the polish and the polygel. Like I said, with the clear polygel, I didn't swatch it because it's just clear. Everybody who rave about it and say that it is, you know, the clearest of the clear. So I didn't swatch it. I'll do my own little video about that later on. But this is one coat of the Scarlet by Makartt that I got in my February Your Nail Lab. Next, this is the orange marmalade. This is one coat. I didn't go in with 2 like I said I was gonna do. This is one coat, and I love it. It's so pretty. Like, you can, to me, I would put this on top of something, but I don't know. And then the polygel. This is the polygel. Like, I already have a color like that. That is it. So for my box, let's go ahead and get into a nail tutorial. I've already sized out my full cover nail tips. I got these tips from Amazon. They're the long square Welquin full cover nails off of Amazon. And I'm just gonna go in with some base coat, and I'm going to apply a dried flower into both of those nails. So this is my first time using dried flowers, and I must say that I didn't know what I was doing. I mean, it turned out fine, but what I should have did was cut the middle piece off of the flower and just laid the petals of the flower, because it made the nail like bulky underneath. So yeah, I would advise that you cut that middle piece off, or just use like dried flowers that are thin. These big ones that has that big piece in the middle, it's really not a good idea to use those for the lazy girl method like I'm doing. But if you're doing the traditional way, just the regular overlay method, you'll be perfectly fine. Okay, so now that the flowers are all secured onto the nail, those 2 nails. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, you guys, when I do my sets, to me it seems like I rush, only because I know the storage is gonna fill up on the phone fast. But I don't know, y'all. But anyways, I don't know what I was thinking when I did this. I said I wanted to do a marble nail. I wanted the background of the flower to be marble, but it came out color block. And I know it came out that way because I did not swirl the 2 colors together. And that is my fault. That is totally my fault, but it still turned out to be nice. See? It does look like color block. Like, it definitely looks like a color block, but it's totally fine. So I did that on the next nail as well. I did the same pattern on the next nail, and then with those 3 nails, I'm just gonna go in with that same pink Catalytic Lily Polygel and just put those on the rest of the nails. I'm not really gonna speak much about this pink Polygel because in my room that I do my nails in, it's cold, so I know I was struggling with this polygel. And like I said, normally when I do polygel, instead of getting water, you guys just stick the tube of polygel between your thighs, and by the time that you need to use it, it's going to be warm and it's going to be, not stiff. That's what I normally do. And I forgot to do that with this polygel, so I'm not going to speak about it and say I don't like it. I would just warm it up the next time, and then I'll go ahead and give my honest opinion about it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to like it. I like all Makartt's polygels. But now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with this 100-180 grit file, clean up these sidewalls and the cuticle and free edge. I'm going to go in with these stickers here that I got from my local nail supply store. These stickers gave me a hard time. They did not want to stick. Boom. There you go. You see it? Well, once I got it on there, I just rubbed it on there so it can stick. I don't know what the problem was with these stickers. Like, that one, I was having a hella trouble with these stickers. That's why a lot is clipped out with me applying the stickers. But you guys get the gist of it. And now, I went in with some Makartt rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to take these roses that was in that that February Your Nail Lab box, and I'm just going to place those on the nails, and then I am going to go in with these iridescent beautiful little gems that I got off of Amazon, and I'm just going to make like a little trail from the flower going down to the free edge of the nails. You guys, I will go ahead and let you guys watch that because the video is about to come to an end. I'm just going to apply these gems, and then I am going to apply some cuticle oil, and that'll be the set. But I'll let you guys go ahead and ride this out. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys so much. Follow me on Instagram. I'm not as active on Instagram, but I am trying. Like, you guys, I work a real job Monday through Friday. And, I record my videos late at night when I get off and after I get my daughter. So that's why I'm only just trying to stick to a schedule of Mondays and Wednesdays. Sometimes I'll squeeze in a Friday for you guys. Like if my daughter's going for the weekend, like with her dad, then I have extra time to do another video. But anyways, you guys, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you guys can, get all the notifications on any upcoming uploads that I do post. Again, thank you so much for subscribing. Comment down below if you like this nail set. And thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Don't have to say it twice. Bye. So wait, before I let you go, you guys, my birthday is coming up. And I need ideas for a nail set. Like, 310. My birthday is March the 10th. I am a Pisces. So I need an idea of what I could do for my birthday nails. You know, if you guys have any ideas, comment down below and let me know. Okay, I'm going for real, you guys. You like the set? If you like it, go ahead and comment down below. Leave a flower in the comments. Okay, bye, y'all.